We're back.
Yeah, that guy didn't like me on the phone.
Another unhappy customer.
Another dissatisfied customer. Yeah, he said
Oh,
National Home Buying Association or some stupid thing. So I told him 15 million, non-negotiable, cash offers only. He hung up on me.
Okay.
That's quicker than I do it.
15 million, non-negotiable.
Hey, I'll do it for 15.
I'll bet you would.
I tell Mom, don't come back home, we're moving.
Just stay in Vegas.
The moving truck will be here tomorrow. Bring a bunch of them. Every illegal from here to the border will be employed for 2 days. I didn't say that, did I? No, I didn't say that. Appears you missed it.
I'm more interested in what you're doing right now.
That rag is dirtier than this rag.
I doubt about it. It's just getting broke in though. How many faces you got on there? 3?
I didn't regrind this valve. See the big gap between here and where it's supposed to be? This is more of a OE replacement job. Notice how the lapping mark disappears there?
Mm-hmm.
That's because there's chatter in the grinding of the valve. I didn't do these valves.
When I did them
At Manly.
Manly. Cheap. I said economy valves. Or budget valves, wasn't it?
Budget valve, that's what they are. Budget. Okay, so that's what the seat looks like. So see how that big gap came back over here?
Yes, sir.
Lights back. See the big gap came back?
Mm-hmm.
Why'd it come back?
Because you cut it.
Because I moved the valve all the way out. But I didn't move it all the way out, I only moved it out halfway. So this is an economy job.
Man.
But I have to pound in. It might leak a little air initially when you start running it. Might have an air leak. It's got to pound in.
You're not going to recut it?
It's an economy job. Are we doing a professional job now?
A race motor, not no economy job.
You didn't say that. You said
Race
economy.
motor.
You said cheap. I could have sworn you said cheap. That's not what you said? You didn't say cheap?
Cheap doesn't come into play in my motors.
Okay, I just moved that out a few thou.
Eyeballed it again.
No, I just felt it. It might be wrong.
Find out.
Maybe I should level the head out too. Now why am I not going to cut that one again?
Because the economy job.
It's already cut. I don't want to keep cutting lower and lower and lower. Where's the darn bubble at? I can't even see the damn thing. The shadows are more than what the damn color is.
You're close. Maybe one more little hit.
No, I can't see the damn line. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. See, you do need some light.
Yeah, it's good to have.
Actually, I don't need a light. I just don't need all these damn reflective shadows.
All the shadows
down.
coming down, yeah. You gotta get that light working on your machine one of these
See,
days.
this way I can see fine, because I don't have all the lights reflecting on there. Okay, we squared that up. Okay, we'll do this again.
Hear that?
It was cutting
Pitting.
good, then it started chattering.
Because the pitting. Or not.
But why was it cutting good?
There wasn't any pits in the beginning of it.
That's because I was cutting inside the port out.
Hmm.
The throat. I was cutting way down in here instead of up where the seat area was up here. So this was good. It started out pretty round too. And then it got crappy and then it cleaned up again. So now you can see the cut line there.
So why do they make those seats out of 2 different kinds of metal? One to stick the aluminum, one to work on the guide better? Stellite or whatever it is?
They're not stellite.
No?
These are steel. These are early heads, you can tell. Late heads, they have a pressed metal. So they got a copper bronze with type material. These ones are actually nickel iron.
For the seats?
Steel, nickel steel.
What's better?
These cost more.
Okay.
He's made a bunch of other stuff. Plus metal actually works pretty good, but it costs more. Like some sizes, other sizes the nickel's cheaper. It's all about volume.
Buying in volume.
Now we're too big. Nope, I'm good. We're bad on the, we're a little bit big. See how the seat now, it's way,
It's gone right there, isn't it?
way on the outer edge there. But look how bad the valve's ground.
Jeez. God dang, man. Maybe I don't want them valves. Put the other ones back in it. Stock ones are in better shape than that.
That is why I always regrind valves, and I never use them as they come in the box. That is 100% why. Joe on the budget job.
That one's terrible.
Budget job. Okay, now I go somewhere between the two positions.
Come up with a happy spot.
I need the happy spot. Happy spot. Is that the happy spot?
Yeah, I'm working on.
Joe didn't like my valve job I did.
It's just the valves are terrible.
Brand new.
Is that like your race car?
Brand new.
See how the seat goes?
They be chunking.
See how this comes goes?
Is that stainless or something?
No.
No, what is that
Sometimes.
material?
There's some kind of stainless. Joe likes those valves.
It's a lousy job rounding them out, I'll tell you that much.
You mean my crappy valve grinder might do a better job than that?
That was production, like you said.
Bad production. Like a marker valve. Let's cut the top. Let's cut the top.
Way high, isn't it?
Yeah, it's way smaller. That one's cut. It's about the same size. Slightly different, not much.
The key to make this bike run good, key is going to be the valve job.
Does that mean I gotta do it correctly?
Huh?
You say I
Oh,
have to do it right?
let's do it race style.
Well, racing style. That means I gotta open everything back up again. I just closed it up. It's dark over here. I can't see shit. Lack of light. Oh, shoot, I can see again. Problem is I can't see where the cutter is. It looks like it's a good spot. I'm thinking this one's in a good spot this time.
Ready?
Where'd the spring go? Springy. There it is.
That's the one.
Lost my springy. Big difference.
Vacuum?
Is that
Not
a
yet.
good valve at?
That's the one, that's the one.
We don't have a good valve. We'll go back to valve number one. Number two's done. You always see where the seat comes on this time.
Still crooked?
I didn't change the valve yet.
I know.
Change the cut. Yeah, we're back down where we were at before. A little bit higher, but not much higher. Yeah, it's good enough for this job. I want to keep chasing it. You gotta make sure there's a seat all the way around. There's a seat all the way around, doesn't look like the valve.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
The supervisor's here.
Trouble's here.
With the other one too.
What's up? I brought the paint. I'm glad I brought it.
The
I don't
twins
know
are
if you
here.
want to use it or not.
I might.
The twins are here.
I tried with the other stuff I have. It don't work with it. Damn.
The paint?
The Rust-Oleum wrinkle I have.
Oh yeah, no. This is for it.
Yeah,
Jeremy's
makes a
primary.
big
And he's
difference.
got you got an oven in here, right?
Nope.
He's got one in his house right there.
Feels like an oven.
Yeah.
I think they in trouble for not videotaping good, so don't bug me.
Oh, here. This is the best.
I
Camera guy.
got noticed that my tire was on backwards on the bike last
Your
night.
worst is better than my best.
Somebody comment? Is it on backwards?
Yeah,
What?
the rotation being the front wheel.
The
Make sure I do this right, Joe.
Yeah. Pardon me?
Make sure I do it right.
I don't know. That was the wrong spring, wasn't it? Holy cow!
Oh yeah, tire rotation arrow.
Can't believe I did that. Taking chunks out of that thing.
I hear a high spot.
Trying to give that motor some bite, some bark.
Damn. Sure, that's a good noise. Barrels are ready to go. Pistons are ready to go.
It's lighter. It's going to go faster.
Making lightweight racing stuff now.
Canadian.
Is it?
Yeah.
Vacuum now. Somebody made a mess over here.
Do you have that revenue?
Is this what you used on your primary?
Yeah.
It looks so good, dude.
Oh, you better now?
Primary too.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah. I don't know exactly, but it looks clean.
Oh, damn.
Well, you take your finger and you go like this over this and see what you think. Then you take your finger over this way and see what you think.
Hey, what's this? What's this?
Then you take your finger over this one and feel the same thing.
This top
What are you filming over there?
I'm trying to do my
So they're older in '88.
Joe, we're not supposed to be filming your toes while we're filming over here.
wasting battery. I don't know what I'm supposed to be feeling though. I feel the
What do you
lip
feel?
right there.
What do you feel?
Tatro, you got candy back here?